Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I needed a new set of kitchen plates because all of mine were looking pretty dingy. Man, did I upgrade. I just love the modern design in these dinner plates. Look at how beautiful they are. They come in 3 different designs, 6 plates total, and they are beautiful. They will liven up your kitchen. You can add them to any kind of decor. I've got more of a modern decor in my kitchen, but really these would go with anything and any color. You cannot go wrong with these plates. I also love how they're made. They are very durable. I've got a busy life with kids and pets, and I love how these are withstanding my busy life. They are the perfect size for a dinner plate. They're 10.2 inches, so you can have them as salad plates or dinner plates. They'll fit everything that you need on them. And I love the geometric design. You can see how beautiful they're made, how well they stack in my cabinet. I also did the knife test to see if they would nick. I cut up some meat and some fruit, and they didn't nick or chip, so I love that. They are perfect for busy moms on the go. They're dishwasher safe. You can use them every day, wash them every day, and they're gonna last you a long time. So this plate set is everything that I wanted it to be. I love it. It's beautiful. They're durable. You couldn't ask for more than that. But that's just my point of view.